Welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is LCM. LCM by prime factorization method. First of all, we write a list of prime numbers. Prime numbers start from 2. 2 is the smallest and even prime number. After that 3 is prime, 5 is prime, 7 is prime number, 11 is prime number, and so on. Prime numbers are the numbers those have only two factors, 1 and itself. So take one example. Find LCM of 40 and 56. We will factorize 40. To factorize it, we use only prime numbers and we use smallest number that divides 40. 40 is even number, so it is divisible by 2. We divide it by 2, then we get 20. We see that 20 is also even number, so divisible by 2, then we get 10. It is also divisible by 2, we get 5, and 5 1 ja 5. At the end we get 1. Like this, we will factorize 56. 56 is a even number, so we will divide it by 2 and we get 28. 28 is also divisible by 2, we get 14. 14 is also divisible by 2, then we get 7. And 7 is divisible by 7 itself. We get 1. In the end, we get 1 in every number. Now, make a list of factors. 40 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Here, we get 2 3 times and we get 5 1 time only. Factorize 56. In the 56 factors we get 2 3 times and 7 1 times. LCM of the number is the product of the prime factors appearing the maximum number of times. In the LCM, we get the prime factors appearing maximum times. So here we see that here 2 is 3 times and 5 is 1 time. Here also 2 is 3 times and 7 is 1 time. So we will take 2 3 times. Maximum that appears. Maximum हम यहाँ पे हमें 2 3 times मिल रहा है. So we will take it 3 times and we get 5 1 time and 7 1 time. Now we will multiply all these numbers. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 5 ja 40. We will multiply 40 by 7. 7 से भी multiply कर देंगे. Then we get 4 7 ja 28 and 1 0. So this is the LCM of 40 and 56. Let's take another example. Find LCM of 32 and 12. We will factorize 32. To factorize it, we use only prime numbers. First of all, this is divisible by 2 and we get 16 as the quotient. 16 is divisible by 2. 2 से divide कर देंगे. We get 8. After that 8 is also divisible by 2. We get 4 and it is also divisible by 2. Get 2 and 2 is divisible by 2. At the end we get 1. Now factorize 12. Divisible by 2 and it is 6. This is also divisible by 2. We get 3 and this is divisible by 3. We get 1. So factors of 32 is 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. And 12 is 2 into 2 into 3. So we use here 2 and 3. 2 and 3 यहाँ पे हमने यूज किए हैं. So the LCM is the product of the prime factors appearing maximum number of times. Maximum number of times यहाँ पे 2 जो है 2 times हमें मिला है, बट यहाँ पे हमें 2 है 5 times मिला है. So we use 5 times 2. And this is multiplied by 3. Now 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32, and it is multiplied by 3, then we get 96. So like this, LCM of 32 and 12 is 96. Find LCM of 198 and 252. We will factorize these numbers. 198 is divisible by 2 and we get 99. This is divisible by 3 and we get 33. 33 is also divisible by 3, then we get 11, and 11 is divisible by 11. At the end we get 1. Similarly, factorize 252. This is even number, so divisible by 2. 2 से divide कर देंगे, then we get 126. It is also even number, so divide by 2, then we get 63. Now 63 is divisible by 3, so we will take 3 here, and 21 is also divisible by 3, then we get 7, and 7 is divisible by 7. Now 198 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 11, and 252 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. Here the prime factors used are 2, 3, 7 and 11. So LCM of 198 and 252 is, we get 2 maximum 2 times. Here we get 2 one time and here we get 2 times. So we will take it 2 times. 3 we get here 2 times and here we get 2 times. So we will take 2 times 3 and 1 time 7 and 1 time 11. We will multiply all these prime numbers. So we get 2772. This is the LCM of 198 and 252. Thank you.